Introduce highlight features or overview summary for dolond neck fan, portable foldable bladeless neck fans, intelligent LED digital display, 3 speeds adjustable. 4000 mAh rechargeable battery, folding USB hands-free fan. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Updated folding design. The dolond portable fan has a bow knots fold design that effectively prevents the hair from getting pinched. Foldable neck fan with headphone-shaped bow, more stylish and versatile. Hands-free neck fan after folding, can be placed in the carry-on bag for storage. On hot summer days, a neck fan is your perfect companion. You can free your hands while exercising, cooking, doing housework, traveling, and enjoying the cool anytime and anywhere. Smart digital display. The LED display on the side of the product has been upgraded to know the capacitance of the wearable personal fan so that it can be charged in time, and when you press the power button, it will show the speed L1/L2/L3. And equipped with 1 m long Type-C charging cable. 3 wind speeds adjustable. Equipped with 3 speeds for you to choose from, you can adjust the appropriate neck fan's speed to suit your needs by repeatedly pressing the power button. First gear, breeze brushing face, refreshing experience. 2 block refreshing double, sweep away sultry. Third gear, strong wind, instant coolness. Long press the speed to turn off the neck fan directly. 4000 mAh rechargeable battery. Neck fan's portable rechargeable built-in 4000 mAh lithium-ion battery, large capacity battery can provide 3 to 18 hours of working time, depending on your choice of wind gear and use scenario. 360 degrees surround air, low noise. The USB neck fan is designed with dual air channels for stronger airflow. There is also an air outlet at the nape of the neck, allowing strong airflow through the channel so that you can feel the surrounding wind. While enhancing wind speed, it also reduces the noise brought by wind speed, so that we can enjoy the cool brought by the fan comfortably. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us, and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.